And welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I did my makeup in my Killers vlog. If makeup isn't really your thing, you're welcome to tap that annotation up above and check out the vlog. First things first, I'm going in with a concealer and a damp beauty sponge and blending it on my upper lids. I'm going to start out with the eye makeup because the shadows I'm using are quite pigmented and a little bit messy, and so if any fallout comes, I want to be able to clean it up later and not ruin my base. And just to set that concealer, I'm going in with a nude shadow. So right here I am applying tape to the edges of my eye, so when I'm done with my eyeshadow work, I'll be able to have a sharp line. Now with my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going in with the bright color so I can diffuse it later. I'm taking that new shadow again and diffusing the upper line. And with a deeper color, I'm painting that outer corner. To get the most out of my shimmery shadows, I like to go in with a finger. I find it packs more of a punch. And with an angled brush, I'm going in and highlighting the inner corners. Now that I'm happy with the final product, I'm just peeling off that tape. Boom! Sharp enough to kill! Since this is more of a dramatic look compared to what I do on the daily, I want to go in with a little more coverage, but not so much that you can't see my freckles. So to achieve that medium coverage, I mix a foundation with a BB cream. Then I take a light concealer underneath the eyes. And as always, I'm blending it out with a damp sponge. I'm dabbing what excess is on my sponge to the higher points of my face that I want to be a little more highlighted. And then I'm taking some on blemishes to camouflage them further. Anytime you apply a cream or liquid to the face, you'll most likely want to set it. So I'm taking my Cody Airspun powder and getting everywhere I need. I am going to a concert, so I want to make sure everything is set because I'm going to be jumping and screaming and dancing around, and so I want to keep all oils and sweat at bay as much as possible. This is the foundation. Cocktail took a lot of the color out of my face. I'm taking it back by using some blush. And just the smallest amount of highlighter. Whoa, I suddenly have eyebrows. That's because when I leaned down to get a better look in the mirror, I did them all completely out of frame. But hey, lesson learned for my next setup. Now I'm prepping the lashes by curling them. And whoa, I suddenly have winged eyeliner as well. The same situation as the brows, they were out of frame. And to blend my blonde lashes with the falsies soon to be, I'm applying a black mascara. I'm taking those lashes with a little bit of Duo lash glue and a few seconds to let them dry to get tacky, and I'm popping them on. As you can see, my lips are now a different color because those were also out of frame. Don't worry, I'm a little new at this, but I'm gonna improve. I decided that the previous outfit wasn't gonna match the concert vibe that much, so I went and changed. I'm gonna take down that messy bun and try to make something presentable. But hey, it's punk rock or something like that. That is the final look for you. At that very moment in time in this video, I am late to picking up my friend Maddie to go to the concert, so